Alright guys, this is my 02 Dodge Cummins. Sorry I haven't done a video in a long time, I'm just kind of sitting here thinking. Zoom that out. I'm just going to do a turbo sound, and then later I'll add a clip of exhaust and what it looks like on the outside, whatever, in a bit anyways. And yeah, I'm just gonna do the turbo whistle. I don't know if you guys will hear it because I have a 5 or 6 inch exhaust on it. I'm not exactly sure, so let's give it a go. 24 valve, 5.9 liter. It's got an edge chip, juice with attitude. It's got a Hiddick rack on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little bit you can see it. Back here got toolbox and got a CBs on each side, and there's also lights. I'll show you guys those later. Alrighty. And just a word of warning, I have no clue how shaky this is gonna be. I have no clue if you're gonna hear it or not, but let's give it a shot, huh? All I know so far on it is I'm pretty sure it's just a stock turbo, but has a new turbine in it, so, which is HX40. I'll show you guys under the hood later and whatnot too. Alright, I'll throw some clips in after this.